Call it befuddlement, vexation, or perplexity. Emotional or mental states that have consumed the president and the public at large and reach a critical mass of revolting indignation. Hence, the president can understand perfectly well, commiserate and empathize with those hell-bent to join a massive protest rally this weekend, and would certainly take to the streets and join them if he were not leader of the land. Then again, he cautioned them not to exceed the bounds of free speech and assembly by going rogue or roughshod on authorities and agents of the law on the streets. Still, the president vowed to bring all those responsible before the bar of justice and pay for consequences of their misdeeds.
Yes, express it. You come, you make your feelings known to these people and make them answerable for the wrongdoings that they have done. Palaman ninyo ang sentimento, palaman ninyo kung paano nila kayo sinaktan, kung paano kayo ninakawan nitong mga ito. Palaman ninyo sa kanila, sigawan ninyo, lahat, gawin ninyo, mag-demonstrate. Just keep it peaceful. I want to show that there's justice. I want to show that there is fairness. I want to hold these people accountable just like they do.